The best electric lawn mowers are efficient, eco-friendly mowers powered by electricity, corded or battery, that make lawn care quieter, cleaner, and easier. They're ideal for small to medium yards, require less maintenance than gas models, and deliver smooth, reliable cutting performance. Starting at number 1, Husqvarna Lawn Xpert LE322R. The Husqvarna Lawn Xpert LE322 is a battery-powered, self-propelled lawnmower made of metal and finished in orange. It features a 21-inch cutting width and weighs 102 pounds. This cordless electric mower comes with two 7.5 amp-hour BLI-30 batteries, providing 30% longer runtime for cutting through thick grass more efficiently on a single charge. Equipped with a durable brushless motor, it operates quietly with zero emissions and cuts 30% easier than comparable mowers. The mower offers multiple cutting modes, including sensing, mulching, and max power, along with adjustable speeds up to 4 miles per hour, allowing you to mow at your own pace. Its space-saving design allows it to fold up easily and stand for compact storage and transport. Assembly is required, and the product dimensions are 43 inches deep by 22 inches wide by 18 inches high. Number 2. Sunjoe Cordless Electric Lawnmower. The Sunjoe battery-powered lawnmower is ideal for small to medium lawns, featuring a durable alloy steel blade that cuts a precise 14-inch wide path in a single pass. It operates with a 28V4 auto-rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing up to 2,150 square feet of mowing per charge, suitable for about a quarter acre. The mower includes a 3-position manual height adjustment to customize the cutting height, and it comes with a detachable 10.6-gallon 40-liter grass catcher for easy disposal. This model, MJ401E DCA, also features a rear discharge chute and weighs 23.1 pounds. Its dimensions are 61.5 inches deep, 17 inches wide, and 29 inches high, and it requires assembly. The product is backed by a 2-year warranty from Snowjoe Sunjoe, offering peace of mind with no questions asked. Number 3. LawnMaster MEB1114K. The LawnMaster corded electric lawnmower offers powerful performance with 300 RPM and a 14-inch cutting width, making it ideal for tackling your yard efficiently. It is environmentally friendly, requiring no gas or batteries to operate. You can easily customize your cut with 5 adjustable height positions, ranging from 1.4 inches to 3 inches. The mower features 7.75-inch rear wheels for excellent maneuverability around your lawn. It includes a 7-gallon collection bag that neatly stores grass clippings for a cleaner finish. Lightweight and compact, weighing only 28 pounds, the mower also has foldable push handles for convenient and space-saving storage. Number 4. Litheli Cordless Lawnmower. The Litheli battery-powered lawnmower features a 13-inch cutting width and operates with a high-performance motor that delivers 3,400 RPM, allowing you to easily mow up to 1,300 square feet of medium-sized lawn on a full charge. It offers 5 adjustable mowing heights ranging from 1 inch to 2.5 inches and collects clippings in an 8-gallon bag for convenience. The mower is lightweight at 24 pounds, made of durable plastic and designed in a garden style. It measures 26.8 inches deep, 17 inches wide, and 15.4 inches high, requiring assembly before use. The motor is low maintenance and produces less noise compared to conventional models, ensuring efficient and smooth operation. Note that only the original U20 charger should be used to avoid fire hazards. Number 5. SENIX 20 Gas Lawnmower. The SENIX gas-powered lawnmower features a powerful 144cc 4QL engine, delivering explosive power for efficient lawn and slope operations, making it ideal for tackling large mowing tasks with ease. Constructed with durable stainless steel and designed in a sleek blue color, this 20-inch mower offers a cutting width that significantly enhances operational efficiency compared to smaller models. Its 7-inch front and rear wheels ensure excellent maneuverability on rugged terrains, making it suitable for various landscapes. Additionally, the mower provides 3 adjustable cutting height positions: 1.35 inches, 2.3 inches, and 3.15 inches, to accommodate different grass heights and simplify mowing tasks. Weighing 39.3 pounds and requiring manual operation, this mower is a reliable choice for maintaining your lawn. Assembly is required, and its compact dimensions of 25.6 x 21.8 13. Make it convenient to store and handle.